Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Pictures. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of OI and change in OI. We will also check out the Max Pain and PCR and as well as the trend cycle for Bank Nifty and Nifty. First, we will start with Bank Nifty and check out the closing price of it. The closing price of Bank Nifty is here at 21,852.40 is on July 3rd 2020 and we are talking about 9th July expiry. Now we will find out the trading range for the Bank Nifty, highest call and highest put. The range between highest call and highest put will be the trading range. For finding trading range, first we have to find out the highest call. For that purpose, we will go through this column and see where is the highest call. Here you can see around 7,52,000 contracts are added at 23,000 strikes. So this is going to be the highest resistance for the Bank Nifty, and here around 7,07,000 contracts at 22,500 strikes. So this is going to be the second highest resistance for Bank Nifty. And if you look this strike 22,000 strike, here we have around 5 lakh contracts. So this can act as immediate resistance, and here you can see the 3 lakh contracts are added last day only. Here 2,63,000 contracts are added, and here 1,76,000 contracts added. So these are also an important level on change in OI. So this is going to be the highest resistance, this is second highest, and this is going to be the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. Now time to find out the highest put. For that purpose, we will go through this column. Here we can see 6,06,000 contracts at 21,000. So this is going to be the highest support, followed by here 3,84,000 contracts at 20,500 strikes. So this is going to be the second highest support. Here you can see around 2,96,000 contracts are still open. So this is going to be an important level for it. For Bank Nifty, this can act as an immediate support for Bank Nifty. This is 21,500. This is going to be the immediate support. Here you can see the change in OI around 2,45,000 open interest and change in OI. Here you can see 1,76,000 contracts open at 21,500, and so these are going to be the important level on change in OI as well. Now if we talk about the trading range, then trading range can be 21,000 to 23,000. 21,000 to 23,000 can be the trading range for the Bank Nifty, keeping the pivot level of the Bank Nifty is 22,000 strike. Here 4,97,000 call writers, here 2,96,000 put writers are available. So this is going to be the make or break level, and this is going to be the pivot strike for Bank Nifty. Below this, it will try to go towards 21,500 and 21,000. Above this, it will try to go towards 22,500 and 23,000. So this is the make and break level. And also now if you see the net change, this all red indicates the call writing was there. Here also the put writing, this is simple indication that the range bound market was there, because both side call writers and put writers are over here. So this is an indication of range bound market. However, we can see some very good amount of put writers are available here. So we can see the overall on OI Bank Nifty looks little bullish but range bound. Now we will also check out the trend cycle and max fan of it. Before that, we will move towards Nifty and check out the closing price and trading range. Here is the closing price 10,607.35. Now trading range, and we are talking about 9th July expiry. Now trading range for it, the trading range is going to be the highest call and highest put. First we will find out the highest call. and for that purpose we'll go through this column, Y column. Here we can see 27 lakh contracts are open at 11,000. So this is going to be the highest resistance, followed by here you can see around 24 lakh 38,000 contracts at 10,600 strike. So this is going to be the second highest resistance. Apart from these, if you see this strike, this indicates the resistance zone for the Nifty, and the very good amount of change in OI in call side at 10,600 and 700 has been witnessed. So we can see, and also here at 11,000 around 12 lakh contracts are added last day only. So these are going to be the important level as on change in OI as well. Now the highest put for Bank Nifty is here at 10,400 strike, 10,400 strike with 23 lakh 33,000 open interest are available here. So this is going to be the highest support, followed by here you can see around 10,500 has the around 19 lakh contracts, and here at 10,000 we can see 20 lakh contracts. So this is the highest support for the Bank Nifty, followed by this one at 10,000. This is the second highest support for the Bank Nifty, and immediate support for the Bank Nifty is here at 10,600, where we can see the 11 lakh contracts are open, and also this is 10,500 going to be the immediate resistance for it. And if you check the change in Y, here we can see a good amount of put has been changed over here. So these are the important level on the basis as far as the support is concerned. So we can see the trading range for Bank Nifty seems very narrow, around 10,400 to 10,700. This is going to be the range for the Nifty, keeping the pivot level at 10,600. This is the pivot strike for it. Below this, Nifty will try to go towards 10,500 and 10,400. Above this, Nifty will try to attain 10,700 strike. So this is the pivot level. And if you see here, the mix over here, some call buying and call writing was over here, and also here put writing. So this is also an indication that the range bound for the Nifty, because here we can see the huge call writers, here we can see huge put writers. So Nifty is trading in the range, and it may continue for the range bound session. We can see another range bound session tomorrow. Now we will go towards our blog and check out the trading range, trend cycle, max span, and PCR for Bank Nifty and Nifty. First we will check out the PCR and max span. Here is the max span for Bank Nifty is constant, and for Nifty there is almost constant max span for both of the indices, indicates the range bound may be continue. And PCR seems a little here we can see PCR for Nifty, it is giving some cautious sign. And if we talk about the trend cycle, then Bank Nifty you can see from 23rd of June you can see only two longs over here, then again short. So this is mixed, and also the trend cycle for Nifty is mixed. So there is no clear indication of any trend. This is just range bound for Bank Nifty and Nifty. And this is all about Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.